Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to
To show you how to make text superscript in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we want to make the text superscript. At first click a cell, then write anything. Now I am write any text, then write a number. Now I am select the number, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the home menu, click the font setting option. Then we can see here the effect. Now I am select the superscript and click OK. Then we can see we make the text superscript easily. You can make another text, select another cell and write anything. Now I am write a formula. Then select the text. Now I am select text and go to the font setting option and make the text superscript. Now we can see we make text superscript easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.